we look at 2020, and I guess the thing that I want to start with is that the site preparation and construction of our Highway 20 overpass that would take place in Limestone County. We hope that that site preparation will begin sometime in the spring of 2020. And that will help connect the north side of Highway 20 with the south side of Highway 20, allowing for development. Really what would be that new Decatur, just shovel-ready property there, and allow for safe access and egress to and from the property and development. Then we have a challenge in recruiting and employing those who will take on some earned retirements. Wally Terry, his responsibilities. Wally has earned retirement that will come in April. Of course, we need a new fire chief after Chief Grandy accepted a role in Tennessee. And then enjoy a seamless transition as Bruce Jones has his earned retirement from Decatur Youth Services. Look, retirements will take place, but they're not relocating. These wonderful people have served our city well. We're thankful for them, and they'll still be right here, part of Decatur, Alabama, and we're thankful for that as well. Something else very positive that's been taking place is the improvement to impact of the appearance of the 6th Avenue corridor. This is being led by a group of residents, leaders, and it's right now they just received funding to start the design and determine how the improvements can really look. And then it'll be about securing additional funding to improve the corridor in phases. And we're thankful for the work that's taking place there and the impact that it will have in providing a better looking foyer. Then we'll continue with residential development and the needed infrastructure to support our growth. This year we provided an expense line of about $800,000 that will help with sewer extensions, expansion, other things that will impact our infrastructure as we have additional growth. Then we talked about resurfacing. Resurfacing city streets is something that is very important, and our city engineer, Carl Pruitt, is recommending that we spend $1.4 million in 2020 to smooth out the ride on 18 streets. So look for resurfacing projects to begin in the spring. With the growth in Decatur and in our region, we will continue to see an increase in our revenues. In 2016, our administration started with a $53 million budget. As we walked into 2020, as it relates to our fiscal year, I presented a greater than $67 million budget in revenues, which the council approved. We're in a great shape physically as it relates to our reserves and money market investments. So with that, I trust that our revenue gains will be used to improve the quality of lives for our residents. Finally, I'd like to ask if I could earn another opportunity to serve you for another 4 years from the office of the mayor. I can tell you that the first 3.5 years have gone by much too fast, but it's been the best time of my professional career. I love Decatur. I love serving our city. I love being connected with our city, as does my family and Sherry. Look, everything that we've talked about, it takes a team. Many people, it takes a village. Our city council, the job that they do, Decatur City Schools, our teachers, administrators, students, parents, the Chamber of Commerce, their leadership, their vision, the special things that they're giving attention to with the help of our business community. The Morgan County Economic Development Association, led by Jeremy Nels and a wonderful team, and how they continue to bring jobs into our area. Downtown Decatur Redevelopment Association, led by Rick Paler, and again, another supporting cast. Wish you could see the before and after photos of the transformation that's taking place in downtown Decatur, and it continues today. Decatur Utilities and the work that they do, and then our Convention and Visitors Bureau, and how they work to bring in and recruit folks to come in and enjoy our venues, spend time in our hotels, eat in our restaurants, visit our retailers, have a big impact on our economy. And then our industrial partners, how they continue to be invested as corporate citizens in our community and in our schools. We appreciate our industrial partners. And finally, you. We're very thankful for you. So with that, I'll close by saying Happy New Year.